Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel Perfect 10. Today I will be doing a snap circuits project. So, it is called flooding alarm. Basically, you build a circuit which if these two contact things touch water, it will ring an alarm through the U2 and speaker. Let's get started. Just gonna move my booklet up, and this is what you'll need. You'll need a speaker, 2x2s, U2, connector thingies, switch, battery pack, R4 resistor, Q2, NPN, 5-pin, 3-pin, and 3-pin. So, I'm going to put these pieces all aside because, First, we're going to be starting with the battery. Yes, battery's the important thing. So, you place it on grid 7. Just going to flip it around because there's no numbers. 7C. The top thing goes on 7C. Place it there, and then I'm just going to place everything else. It's going to be a 3 here, connecting for the switch. This is a switch, amazing switch. You know, it's like the best switch ever. I'm going to place it there. So now the battery's going this way. This is the switch, turning on and off. Q2 will go here. And connect it with a 2-pin. After that, you want to put the U2 alarm. And also connect that with a 2-pin. It's amazing. And then you want to put the speaker here. So the best thing ever. And a 2-pin. And then you want to put a 3-pin here. After that, bring it out, put the resistor here. And a 2-pin right there. I think that's definitely gone. After that, 5-pin. So then you want to connect it right here at the bottom. And then you have 2 more pins and connect it like that. Now it's not finished because now you want to put the red wire here and the black wire here. Now it's finished. I'm going to go get a glass of water to test this. Okay, so now I'm back with the water. I'm going to turn it on. It's on totally. And then we're going to put this. When you connect it, it will sound, if you heard that. So look, see, it's not going to sound right now. Put one in the water, not going to sound. Put another one in the water, it sounds. So, that's your flood alarm for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.